All right, here is where we are at so far. I think it's looking pretty cute for the start, especially. So for this week, I don't know which one I want to use as the quote box. Maybe we'll use this orange one here. Sure, let's go with that. Just gonna stick that one in. That is super cute. That was probably not the right choice, thinking about it now, because I just realized that I have an orange habit tracker that I can use, that I had saved here from a leftover from some other kit. Let me do a quick check to see if I have another color that would kind of just work out. Pretty sure I just threw my cat spring down the stairs, so that's not great. But we're gonna see how that goes, and see how obnoxious he gets before we sort that out. That was not very good planning on my part. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this very pale tan pink whatever color. This is a leftover, I believe, from Lovely Planner blog, but I think this is gonna work just fine, and I'm gonna leave a little gap because I don't have that much that needs to go here. And then I did also pull out, this is a leftover from Meet Me for Coffee by Planner One Love. And there's this little weekly guy. It's actually like a hand with holding a sunflower in the background. That's not really super spooky, although definitely has fall vibes. But yeah, not super spooky in and of itself, but I somehow feel like being kind of grayed out for the background makes it spooky. So we're gonna go with that. And then I'm gonna leave this little gap down here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna fill it in with, but we will sort that out when we get there. And then I'll use these little guys down the side when I fill in my weather. For the rest of the week, this week is a pretty typical week, I guess. Whatever that means nowadays, since I don't seem to ever keep the same schedule. But my plan is to be working Monday through Friday in a regular schedule and all of that good stuff. So hopefully this is going to work out. And all my planning will be aligned. Sorry, now you can hear my cat trying to get to the spring that went down the basement stairs. So sorry if you hear the rattling noise in the background. He has like 10 more toys he could play with, but he doesn't like those. And then, so I stuck that guy in for my full box. And then I'm going to stick this one with the skulls in here for my workout. And then I don't think there's really one that's like obvious in the little things to be my walking. So I'm just going to leave that blank. Moving in to the next few days. Maybe I can use one of these white boxes. There we go. Apparently cutting did not go super great with some of these boxes, so I'm just going to pull out my scissors to trim the little edges to clean that up a bit. that in. And then maybe we'll use the little pumpkin guy here for my workout. There we go. Over here, I kind of like this one that says, "Which better have my candy." I think it's funny. There we go. Also by Wednesday, really feeling that vibe, that's for sure. And then I'm gonna use another one like so. And then I am gonna pull out this little birthday cake icon. It's my mom's birthday, so I just wanna mark that in right there. And then Thursday, let's see, what do I wanna keep on the weekend? Maybe these two. So let me use this one right here. And then I will use the little spider webs like so. And then I'm going to pull in these little skulls. I think they're super cute, actually. Like very cartoony. There we go. I'm definitely not a huge like scary things kind of person, but I do love like spoopy vibes. Black cats, witches, all of that stuff, for sure. Stick that in. There we go. Then on the weekend, I got really enthusiastic and started putting times on Saturday, so I mostly whited those out because I don't really need those, that's for sure. So let's see. I have a weekend banner. So I'm going to put that down right up here. That looks really cute. And then I think I'm gonna do the one that says "Say Boo" and "Scary On." Stick that down here. I do have a haircut scheduled for this day, but I might need to move it. There is a little haircut icon, so I'll probably use that if it does happen. Otherwise, if it gets moved, then obviously I won't use that icon. All right, and then this one is gonna go on Sunday. I'm just gonna stick it in the middle on this page too. And then I did want to pull out, if I can get everything unstuck. Okay. Maybe orange. There we go. And then the little heart icon. So it's my husband's birthday. I feel like I have a little more space on the weekend, so I can make everything a little bigger there. All right, I'm gonna stick that in like that for his birthday. I think that covers all the pre-planning. I have all of these like little things, icons, stuff like that, that I can use. Probably won't use them all, but I'll use a bunch. So kind of here's where we're at with the pre-planning so far. Relatively bare bones, but it's looking pretty cute. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads. All right, here are the finished spreads that I can share. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Life with Mayra. I do still have a good amount of like functional icons, little things, stuff like that left. Those are gonna go into my leftovers. But for over here, beyond the stuff from the kit, the pens are those Min Chill fine liners from Amazon. This habit tracker is from Lovely Planner Blog, just a leftover. And then this weekly box is a leftover from Planner One Love. And then looking over at the weekend, I really just used things from the kit and the pen, but I think it turned out really cute and fun and very productive, but also fun weekend. So that's all I really have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or just drop me some sort of spooky emoji to say hi. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.